Welcome back to Easy Digital Art. Here I use Microsoft Office Word shapes to create art. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make stones with different types of patterns. First we go insert shapes. Let's take a circular shape. I put it in fixed position so it's easier to move. I'm just going to go into right click edit points and just modify it a little bit so it looks natural. All right. Now I'm going to go format shapes. And now I'm going to say I want a round bevel. And I'll change this to a high number. This one as well, the height. Make it 52. All right. Now it's got a bit of a pattern at the top, so might try to get rid of it a little bit. If this one doesn't work, the height, then we try the width. Try to bring it down a little bit, not too much, like so. And then the light will change on it, so you don't have to worry about it too much. So I'm just going to look for the soft edge. And for the lighting, I'm going to use the 2-point. So there we go. It's our first rock, or I should say stone. Now we can fill in the shape. So shape fill, texture, and this one was quite a nice one. So we'll do that one. I'll just copy this. Shape outline. This one I can probably say no outline, but I'll just make it smaller. Shape outline. A little bit gray. Shape fill. Texture. Let's try that one. Okay, you can, of course, you can change the shape. Go into the fill. You can scale it. Get a different texture. Offset it as well. Mirror. You say both. We'll try to mirror it. I'm going to go edit points and an extra point here. Actually make this smooth. This one I don't know if it's smooth or not. So for these ones here, just going to change the shape. Shape fill, texture. There's a nice one. Shape outline, no outline. Actually with this one too, shape outline, no outline. Turn this one around like that. This one here, turn it around. Shape fill, gradient, texture. You can find something else. If you want to make a fossil, there you go. Alignment, center. Change that around. Leave it like that. Just going to make it like smaller to get rid of that line. Shape outline, no line. Okay, here's another one, and one more. Shape outline, no outline. Shape fill. Let's see, texture. Can do that one. This one, bring to front. One more. Just so I can see it. Move it over there. Can do solid colors, obviously. Texture. This one. And that's it. Thanks for watching.